Many of us would also be part of book clubs. There are so many people who love reading, and to be very honest, when I was in school, I did not really like reading any kind of books, except for my school books, of course. But when I went to college, that's when I started creating the necessity of reading books for me. Why do I say that as a necessity? Is because reading can actually help you expand your horizons in a lot many ways. And thanks to my college days and the friends that I had, because of them, even I cultivated a habit of reading. And trust me, once I started, it was a never ending process. And till date, I have been reading a lot many books. Earlier, it was a lot of fiction books, but now, over a period of time, when I started becoming more self aware and started to know a bit more things and got into the work life, corporate life, business life attitude, I started switching myself to non fiction books, more of self developing books. Reading books really does help you a lot, and I am a person who loves reading, and I would also suggest you do that. Now, coming back to book club discussions, many of us would be part of book clubs. Now, what exactly is a book club? It's a space where many people come around together. They decide on one single book that they'd like to read, and they come and read that book together. At the same time, if they have any certain topics that they would like to talk about on that book, or anything that they really loved about that book, or something that they were confused about in that book, it is all discussed during that book club session. So when you go in for these sessions, make sure that you take notes. Also, if you have already read something from that book and you found it very interesting, do not forget to highlight it. This way, you can also share your knowledge with the others, and when you are discussing this with the others, be very mindful of your tone. Engage actively in the conversation by sharing your thoughts and observations.